Welcome to Conference Connections, where we discuss the latest K-20 trends with thought leaders across the industry. In this episode, we chat with Danny Franks, Vice President of Marketing and co-founder from ThinkWrite Technologies at TCEA 2023. The topic of this discussion is affordable and durable classroom devices. Enjoy Conference Connections, powered by edCircuit.
Hey everybody, I'm Dan Cavalli with edCircuit, here with Danny from ThinkWrite Technologies, soon to be TWT Technologies, and we're talking about headsets.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Great. So give us a little background on your organization, yourself, and how you got here at TCEA.
Yeah, so TWT Audio, ThinkWrite Technologies, born 8 years ago, started by former EdTech director, 5,500 students one-to-one in CEDIS, and so I was born out of the classroom, and so we started making a durable and now modular option in the classroom. So here at TCEA, we're showing our new Revo 310 headset. The big thing with this is modularity. So we have durability involved, headbands, but the big thing here is the replaceable ear cushions.
Oh, wow.
So kids beat them up, you can replace them down the road. The big thing, obviously, flip-down microphones and then replaceable cables as well. So it'll be future-proof if you need to go from a 3.5 to a USB-A or USB-C, or if the device, a lot of times, we do have an issue with warranty or anything like that, it's usually cable related. So instead of going to landfill, kind of renew and reuse them.
So from a cost savings perspective, the replacement pieces are like what percentage cheaper
Nominal,
than the whole unit?
About 20%, or 20-30% roughly.
20 to 30% savings is huge for the district's budget year over year.
So
that's wonderful.
We kind of said it. A lot of times they refresh units. Instead of refreshing, buying brand new units, you can refresh with a few cables and some earbuds.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Interested in sharing your voice with the K-20 and EdTech community? edCircuit empowers thought leaders across education to share their voices with their audience. Visit edcircuit.com to learn more.
If a school or institution has a headset already,
Yes.
how easy is it to swap in this headset? Is it compatible with everything? How does it work?
So-
Does it plug and play?
Great. USB-A, USB-C, and 3.5. Whether you're on an iPad, a Chromebook, or Windows device of some sort, we have an option for you. So I think nowadays, with everybody going USB-C, it's going to be something that's really going to look for. It's the USB-A. Yeah, number of options that way. We've got something for everyone.
What has the reaction been so far at TCA over your product?
It's been really good. It's funny. It's something we've worked on for a number of years. Just the idea of good modular and seeing its place. The reaction's been really good. I think people see the value. It's a little more expensive, but down the road it will save you cost-wise. Yeah, and then we have a 2-year warranty on all of our Duro, Revo, and Ergo headphones and headsets, and then it's a simple, take a photo, we warranty the unit, and send you out a new one.
That's wonderful. So, it's really interesting. When we first walked over here, I'm like, oh, it's a headset company.
Yes.
But it's so much more, because whether you realize it or not, you're kind of revolutionizing the headset industry from a modular perspective.
Yeah, trying to anyway. It's especially in the classroom these days with the number of programs and curriculum that utilize a headset. I think the biggest thing for us is giving somebody the pain point of either replacing a cable and not working, sound out of one side, take that out of the bit so kids can learn. And then, in the future, if something is broken, fix it, move on, keep learning.
So we covered differentiation against competition, right? We covered the reaction of the school people who were at the conference. So from a cost perspective, an item like this, right?
Okay, so
What are we looking at?
we're starting, in the headphone form, $29.99 MSRP, $36.99 in the 3.5 millimeter, and then USB-A, USB-C, a few more dollars. Still not exactly sure where that sits, right around the $40 mark. But the 310 is in stock currently, shipping, and then the 320, 330, which would be the USB-A and USB-C, they'll be basically in stock in 2 weeks.
That's fantastic. Wonderful. Any issues with back orders and things of that nature?
We have no issues actually currently, which is great. We are fully stocked and ready to ship. So
That's fantastic. So for any of those big districts out there, volume purchasing is available for them as well.
Volume purchasing, and
that.
we're all stocked for either summer deployments or spring testing. So we're ready to go.
Great. Danny, thanks a lot for taking the time. Appreciate it. All right, enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
This episode of Conference Connections was powered by edCircuit. edCircuit's mission is to share guidance and expertise in facilitating the appropriate use of digital technology in education. Through our weekly articles, podcasts, and video series, we give a voice to members of the K-20 and EdTech communities. To learn more about our mission and various content, visit edcircuit.com and subscribe to be up to date on the latest thought leadership in the educational industry. For more information, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube.